Variant, Standard. Title, Fenugreek Restorative Deep Conditioning Mask Review. ID 80123. Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with dry, damaged, or frizzy hair and felt like no product could truly nourish and restore your locks, you're going to want to stick around. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any honest reviews and beauty tips. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Fenugreek Restorative Deep Conditioning Mask, a hair treatment designed for both men and women. It promises to hydrate, nourish, and boost hair growth while taming frizz and supporting healthy curls. So what exactly is inside this mask? Its star ingredient is fenugreek, renowned in Ayurvedic hair care for strengthening hair, stimulating growth, and improving scalp health. The formula is crafted to deeply condition hair, addressing dryness, breakage, and frizz, while supporting curl definition and adding shine. This mask is particularly marketed for black hair and curly textures, but it's suitable for all hair types in need of moisture and repair. When I first incorporated this mask into my routine, I noticed its rich, creamy texture made application simple and luxurious. It spreads easily from roots to ends without feeling heavy or greasy. I left it on for the recommended 15 to 20 minutes, and the hair felt instantly softer and more manageable. What's impressive is how it tamed frizz without flattening my natural curl pattern, leaving hair bouncy and hydrated. On days when my hair felt brittle or weighed down by previous styling, this mask gave it a noticeable lift and moisture boost. One thing I appreciate is its versatility. Whether you use it weekly as a restorative treatment or occasionally to refresh and hydrate, it adapts well to different hair care routines. Now let's talk pros and cons. The positives are clear: rich hydration, frizz control, curl enhancement, and the added benefit of fenugreek to promote healthier, stronger hair. On the downside, the scent is herbal and strong, which may not suit everyone, and the jar size is moderate, so frequent users might go through it fairly quickly. In terms of value, this mask sits in the mid-price range for deep conditioners, and considering the results, I find it fairly justified. The combination of natural, growth-supporting ingredients with effective conditioning performance makes it worth the investment. For comparison, while there are cheaper conditioning masks on the market, few offer the same multi-benefit approach: hydration, frizz control, curl definition, and hair growth support all in one. The packaging is sturdy, the product feels premium, and a little goes a long way. I'd expect consistent results over months of use, making it a durable addition to your hair care lineup. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to try it, the link is in the comments. I haven't had personal interactions with their customer service, but the brand generally has a reputation for being responsive and supportive with inquiries, which adds reassurance if you have questions about the product. If you're considering alternatives, some other deep conditioning masks with hydrating and growth-supporting ingredients can provide results at a lower price, but they may lack the targeted fenugreek benefits for curl and hair strength. If you're looking for a complete restorative treatment with a focus on natural ingredients, this one stands out. In summary, the Fenugreek Restorative Deep Conditioning Mask delivers on hydration, frizz control, and curl enhancement. It strengthens hair, supports growth, and leaves hair feeling soft, manageable, and healthy. It's particularly well-suited for those with dry, damaged, or curly hair who want a multifunctional treatment in one product. While the scent may not be for everyone, and the jar could run out quickly for heavy users, the benefits largely outweigh these minor drawbacks. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've used this mask, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. You can find the link to purchase in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.